Alright, so I'm going to teach you how to install the base to your car. It's fairly simple. So what you do first is you grab these things right here, these latches right here, and then you connect them to the anchors of your car. So let me show you where the anchors of your car are. So we are currently inside my car. As you can see, each car has these little buttons right there, and what those buttons are, these little button things are, what they are the anchor locations. So if you look underneath these buttons, I don't know if you can see it quite well, but you'll kind of see like a metal bar right here, and there's another one here. So that's important because what you're going to do is you're going to connect the metal bar to these latches right here, and that's how you connect it. Okay, so I'm going to do that right now. Another thing I forgot to mention is that the base comes with like a leg stand for added support. So what you do when you put it down is you put the leg stand out first, and then you attach the latches to the anchor. So now I stuck the leg out, so this is the way it's supposed to look. The leg is down here. It's adjustable. It has this button on the bottom of this. Let's see if I can show you where this button is, which is right here. I don't know if you can see this. It's a button and it adjusts the height. So now let's attach these latches to the anchors. So you basically just put the anchors. So right now the color's red. You put the latches on the anchor and then you should hear it click. So right there it clicked, and if it's green, it's good. And you just go to the other side of it, and then you just find the button, the anchor, and then it clicks, and green means good. And now you are done installing the anchor. Now this thing right here, it's a level indicator. You want the bubble to be on the line. So you just kind of adjust it a little bit with this thing. And right there it should be good. We're kind of on a hill, but as long as the bubble touches the line a little bit, you're solid. And now I'm going to show you how to put the seatbelt. The seatbelt isn't necessary, but it'll say right here, belt here. So I'll show you how to do it. So what you have to do is you have to pull this up, and then it expands, and you put your belt through here, and then through there. So it goes in, the belt here, the belt through there. So I'm going to put the belt underneath here, the first one, and then I'm going to pull the belt, and then what I do is I put it underneath the blue thing as well. So I'm doing this with one hand, so it's kind of challenging. And then finally, lastly, I put it underneath the belt here on the other one. And then obviously I buckle it in. So I'm going to pause this real quick so I can buckle it in. Okay, so now I'm going to buckle it in. So now it's buckled. Okay, so I just tighten the rope on the belt, whatever. Push this in. Make sure that the actual belt goes in the groove of the blue thing, just in here. And now I just, again, it's like I bite it down using this clamp, and then it's all done. So now what I have to do is I grab the car seat, and these baby car seats always have to be rear facing. So let me pick that up, and I rear face it, and I put it on top, and then it has to click, and then just lift it just for safety, and we're good. To actually lift the baby out of the car seat, which is going to be super convenient, right here where my hand is, I don't know if you can see my fingers, but there's a little latch. You just lift that up, that latch up. Just kidding, it's not that one. It's this right here, that little thing right here. If you lift this up, it allows you to pick up the car seat. So I'm going to do that right now. Let's see if I can get a good kind of, I'm doing it. So now it allowed me to lift it up, and now I can take the car seat out easily. All right, and then you just click it, and you're good.